Why did that stop? Wait, before we do that, take the bullets. In the words of Scooby-Doo. Uh-oh! Nothing. You can barricade doorways with shelves. Wait. What's upstairs? Okay. Oh, they was just up here eating birds again. That's Whoa! I crouched. Hey, I barricaded the door. Oh, I knew it. Who is that? It's something about this game, dude. It's like scarier than like the other ones. Maybe it's because I put it on the hardest difficulty. Maybe it's because I don't have like a shotgun or nothing yet, but I am scared of these creatures crawling around. Like, they've done a phenomenal job, like, building this atmosphere up. I'm scared. I don't know what to do. And it's a hole in the ceiling. Yep, I'm about to get in. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing.
Surrounded. Damn it.
Okay. Do I hide somewhere? Get off the freaking wall. Wow! I mean, it's this guy again. I'm freaking dead. Oh, I blocked. Get the frick off me! All right, make your thing. Make your thing. All right, we're gonna use that.